Today we'll talk about how can you select, who can see your birthday on your wake up. We're going to figure out the selection or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings and you come to this list, and all you have to do, you just click here on privacy here. So when you click on privacy, it's going to take you to this list. Just switch into open video here, then you click here on who can see my birthday. And so when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list, and here can you select if you want to add no one here, all users here, or only the month and days are visible to others. So here can you select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking